In the past 2 months, law enforcement have raced to Nashville bridges to respond to people suffering mental health crises. Now, the latest incident happened just this week on the Korean Vets Boulevard Bridge.
And when calls like this go out, police and paramedics are not the only ones to respond. News 2's My Owen shows us what the Partners in Care program is doing to help those who are struggling.
Everyone goes above and beyond to try to get a safe outcome for someone in a crisis.
There are situations many times stemming from trauma that too often becomes the norm. Mental health becoming a crippling reality for thousands of Tennesseans.
Half the time that Partners in Care goes on a call, someone is either actively suicidal, they could be hearing voices or experiencing delusions, where they really need help right then in that moment.
Since its start, Partners in Care units have responded to more than 27,000 calls. That includes more than 6,000 mental health crises. Multiple mental health incidents happening across Nashville. Security video caught this moment, showing a woman on the ledge of the pedestrian bridge when music icon Jon Bon Jovi stopped to talk to her before reaching out his hand and pulling her to safety. Then, earlier this month, Port of I-24 shut down for an hour after Metro Police responded to someone on the bridge in a crisis situation. And the latest incident on this bridge, turning into a person afraid to come down.
In our REACH program, about 73% are actively suicidal during their REACH call. These numbers are incredibly high for acuity, and these programs are designed, and the trainings for the officers and the paramedics are all designed to meet this acute need that this community faces.
The latest report from the Tennessee Department of Health shows death by suicide has increased 13% between 2015 and 2019, calling it a growing public health problem in Tennessee.
No one wants to call 911 for mental health care, but they have no other choice because things get so bad.
But he says it's necessary in order to help those who need help. And in the latest case from this week, the mental health cooperative was able to get that person help and connect them with resources moving forward. Again, if you or someone you know needs help, the 988 Suicide Prevention Lifeline is always available.